video we are going to see the topic under for the integral calculus, which is tutorial class, change the order of integration. So already we have seen it for changing the order of integrations. Here for some more problem we are going to discuss. Okay, so change the order of integration and evaluate integration 0 to 3 and integration 0 to root of 4 minus y of x plus 1 dx dy. So what you will be having, let I is equal to, you can consider for the given integration I is equal to 0 to 3 and x is equal to, what is given, inner limit has been expressed in terms of y. So it should be a x limit, right? So x varies from 0 to root of 4 minus y, and then y varies from 0 to 3 of x plus 1 into dx dy. So therefore the points of intersection of the parabola is nothing but you have x is equal to 0 and x is equal to root of 4 minus y. It should be a x squared is equal to 4 minus y. So how that curve will be? It's a parabola curve. It is y squared equal to x squared equal to y, but it's a negative y. So it will be in the reverse of your v, right? So it will be like this. This is nothing but x squared equal to minus y. But it is given here, it is a 4 terms, 4 minus y. So up to 4, it's supposed to be a positive. Okay, then the curve will be like that. Okay, and then what is given with y is equal to 0, you can substitute y is equal to 0. What will happen in this equations? X squared will be 4. So x will be plus or minus 2. Okay, x is equal to plus or minus 2. And then you can take it with y is equal to 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So x will be plus or minus 1. So you have the region of y will be a 0 to 3, which you have a positive region. Therefore, you have to consider as a positive point 2, 0 and 1, 0. Therefore, the region is shown in the figure. You can see the figure how it will be. What is that? I told no, this curve is nothing but x is equal to root of 4 minus y. It's nothing but x squared equal to 4 minus y. And then you can see that the point has been, what is that next point? It's supposed to be 2 integrations will come, because when y is equal to 3, you have a point, and y is equal to 0, you have y is equal to 0, I have a 2, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, I have x is equal to 1. So you can draw that what will happen, the curve will end at a point of x is equal to 1, and this is nothing but when y is equal to 3 on the curve, you have the point x is equal to 2. So now what will happen, you can see that the limit will go from x varies from 0 to 1 and then 1 to 2. That's what as integration has come for 2 integration here. Integration x varies from 0 to 1 plus integration x varies from 1 to 2. Now the corresponding regions, I need to find my y variable. So when you need to find a y variable, what you have to do? Draw the parallel line towards your y axis. So what is that? Y varies from 0 to 3. So y varies from 0 to 3 of x plus y into dy dx plus integration of 1 to 2, and then y varies from 0, this is a lower one, and which is ending it. So you can draw the line will be like this line will be like this. Okay, that's what has been written, 0 to 3 for y, and then next one 0 to ending with this curve. What is that? X squared is equal to 4 minus y. Y is equal to x squared, then you will be having it as 4, right? It's nothing but 4 minus x squared. So it's nothing but 4 minus x squared I will get. Okay, so now you can see that this equations has been like limits, you can substitute here. X varies from 1 to 2, y varies from 0 to 4 minus x squared of x plus y into dy dx. So first with respect to dy, later with respect to dx. So first you can go with 2 integrations. So first one I am considering I1, second one I am considering as I2. So I1 is integration 0 to 1 of xy plus y squared by 2 of y varies from 0 to 3 into dx. So now I1 is equal to integration 0 to 1 3x plus 9 by 2 into dx. So integrate and substitute upper limit and lower limit. So it will become 3x plus 9 by 2, which is 3x squared by 2 plus 9x by 2, 0 to 1. So with respect to x, you will be having 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2. First one is a 6. Now it's coming for second one. Integration x is equal to 1 to 2. Y is, you can take it, x y plus y squared by 2, 0 to 4 minus x squared into dx. What is that? 1 by 2 you can take out. So it will become a 2xy plus y squared the whole power. With a limit of 0 to 4 minus x squared. Substitute the upper limit and lower limit. I'll be getting 1 by 2 of x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 8x squared plus 8x plus 16 into dx after simplification. So this part you can apply a minus b the whole square. So a squared is 16 plus x power 4 b squared minus a squared minus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is 8 x power x squared you will get. So you can simplify, you will be getting this equations. Okay. So now you can see that substitute the upper limit. Before you can integrate, x power 4 will be x power 5 by 5 and x cube will be minus 2 x power 4 by 4 minus 8 x cube by 3 plus 8 x squared by 2 plus 16. So now what will happen, which is equal to 1 by 2 of substitute upper limit minus lower limit. You will be having 241 by 60. I is equal to I1 plus I2, which is equal to 6 plus 241 by 60. It is equal to 601 by 60. Okay, the integration of the given curve, which is nothing but 601 by 60. So we'll see one more example. Change the order of integration and evaluate integral 0 to infinity x to infinity e power minus y by y into dy dx. First you can consider I for the given equation. On changing the order of integrations, what is that? First thing, given limit, inner limit is a y and outer limit is a x. That means y varies from 0 to infinity, x varies from 0 to y varies from 0 to infinity and then x varies from 0 to y. Just we are after changing it. So we'll write first actual y is equal to x and y is equal to infinity. And x is equal to 0, x is equal to infinity. This is what has been given. So you can see that how that graph will be. So it is nothing but the integrations. You will be having the curve y is equal to x will be a straight curve. And then infinity will be a positive portions. You will get this part, you will be having it. So now you are going to convert the limits on changing the order. So y you have to convert to x, x to be y. So y you can replace x is equal to 0, y is also 0 and x is equal to infinity, y is also infinity. That's what has written. Y varies from 0 to infinity, therefore 0 to infinity from here by substituting it. Now next limit I need to find my x limit. So how we will find your x limit? You have to draw the parallel line to the x-axis, right? So what is that? You will be having x is equal to 0 and then it will be end with this. That is nothing but x is equal to y curve, right? So the limit is nothing but y is equal to 0 to infinity, x is equal to 0 to y. That has been given here. So now e power minus y by y into dx dy is equal to integration y varies from 0 to infinity e power minus y by y integration with respect to x is x, right, with respect to dx. So 0 to y. So y will get cancelled. I have only e power y. I will get integration 0 to infinity e power minus y dy is equal to minus e power minus y 0 to infinity is equal to 1. So what will happen? You can apply the limits here. So how it has come 1 I will explain. Minus of e power minus infinity minus e power 0. So what is that? Minus of, as I told in the last class, e power minus infinity I can write 1 by e power infinity, that is nothing but 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value will go 0. So 0 e power 0 will be 1. So minus into minus, it's a plus. So you will get a integration result is 1. Okay. So that's all for your changing the order of integration tutorial class. Thank you.